Saturday, April Fool's Day, April 1st. What do you know? Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Listen, March was not a great month, sadly. I think people get busy. Spring's here. Sometimes people are in their yard, or the weather was really, really nice and people were doing other things. And now it's spring break and people are traveling. And so it's just the beginning of the quiet season, which always is a challenge when you're in retailing. So I decided, I think we should do a little bumper sale, one day only. 50% off everything you buy in the store. What? Really? I think that's going to work. So I'll tell you more about that in a minute. But I think that's going to be my answer for some quick cash, which would be a really good thing. But in the meantime, I want to tell you about the Rios that we got in some bright spring colors. We always need malabrigo Rios, and they did not disappoint. So I just wanted to show you. We have this beautiful almond blossom. Love that peachy, Eastery color. English rose. You can never go wrong with English rose, remember. Rios is a worsted DK weight and 210 yards and $19, just so you know. Love this. This is Arco Iris. Every skein's a little different, but they've got lots of fabulous colors in it. Then we have, this is called Reflecting Pool. Not quite as dark as the teal that they usually do, but I like this one for, it's kind of a spring color. It's beautiful. It's in that aqua. You cannot miss apple green. Apple green, I love apple green. And then we got in Indicita, which is probably one of our best colorways and most popular, which is blues and greens. And then we also have peachy. Peachy. And it's just peachy. So when these bright colors came in, and remember I talked to you about the sheepy hat this week, and I said if anybody came in to buy the pattern and the yarn to make the hat, it would be 10% off. We have to make sure you're making the hat and not just buying yarn and saying, oh, I'm making a hat. But anyway, making a hat for the sheepy Baubles yarn, Baubles hat pattern. And Elaine was nice enough to leave this sample with us, so that's very exciting. Anyway, my daughter saw it, of course, and she was like, Mom, I think my kids need some sheep hats. And I was like, yeah, I was kind of thinking that. I said, but I was kind of thinking kind of funky colors, like psychedelic, like weird, like not normal. So when these new colors came in, so I'm going to tell you what I'm doing for Owen and for Vivian. So he loves orange, you know that. So he's going to have an orange sky, and he's going to have gray sheep with black, of course. I'll add some, well, I don't know where it is, but I'll add some black yarn for the heads. And then I think I'm going to make one of the sheep black with a gray face. And then we're going to have apple green grass. So that is going to be Owen's hat. Maybe with a few extra flowers in the field, I don't know. And then Vivian's going to have a blue aquamarine sky, blues and purples. She's going to have English rose sheep with black faces and black ears or whatever they have. And then she's going to have an ochre field. So I think I'm liking it, kind of out of the box, kind of fantasy colors. So that's what I'm doing. I'm doing a fantasy two fantasy hats. So come on and do it with me. Get your yarn at 10% off when you buy the pattern and the yarn. And we will get a date and decide when we're going to do this. We'll meet and just work on our Baubles hats. I think it's a good idea. Oh, about the date for the 50% off. Actually, it's going to be tomorrow, Sunday. And we're closed. April Fools. No 50 off. So sorry. It was such a good idea, though. Wouldn't it be fun? I know you guys were getting excited. Oh, I hope I'm free. I hope I'm available. I'll be there. I'll call them. I thought of that this morning in the shower. I was like, what's my joke going to be? I was like, oh, I know. Fake sale. Oh, well. March really wasn't that great, but I'm not that desperate yet. So anyway, all right. Have a great evening and a fabulous, peaceful, contemplative Palm Sunday. Tomorrow is Palm Sunday. So it's the beginning of Holy Week for all of us, and a time to really think about what we are so incredibly grateful for. The life of God's Son, Jesus. Amen. All right. Thank you, and happy Palm Sunday. I will see you Monday. Sorry about this sale.